What up, guys? For a long time now, you notice that you cannot withdraw your Naira from a Luno account or deposit Naira into Luno accounts. Of course, this happens if you're in Nigeria, and this is because of the Nigeria cryptocurrency ban that happened earlier. But now, Luno has found a solution. You can now deposit Naira into Luno or withdraw Naira from Luno, and this is what the tutorial video is about. I was showing you how to deposit Naira into Luno or withdraw Naira from your Luno accounts, and of course I'll be doing this on my phone, so let's get to it. So guys, this is just a simple way for you to buy cryptocurrencies with your card here in Nigeria. So we'll go ahead and open the Luno app. Now, if you don't have a Luno account, there's a link in the description. Make sure you use that link to sign up. Then go to Play Store or the Apple Store and download the app and log in with information you've already used to create the account. So this is how the app is going to look like. If you look at the bottom menu, you will see wallets. So we're going to click on wallets. This is where you see your assets. You see I have 124 Naira in my Naira wallet. I will click on it and click on deposit to add more. What I'll do now is to create voucher. Then I'll enter the amount I want to fund my account with. In this case, I want to do it with 20,000 Naira, and I'll be charged 2% fee, and it's capped at 5,000 Naira. In other words, if my fee is above 5,000 Naira, I won't be charged more than 5,000 Naira. That is a method available for us right now until maybe something else comes up. So I'll click on continue to pay. Here is where I enter my card details. Then I'll click to continue. So now I have purchased this. What I'll do next is to redeem my voucher. So I'll go to my email to get that information. So this is the voucher information. This is the voucher number. I'll copy that. Go to here and paste the voucher number. Then go to PIN. Copy the PIN. Then paste it here. Then copy the expiry month, 12/2025. Expiry year is 2025. Then my security ID is, I hope that is correct. Okay, then I'll click on redeem voucher. Then a code is sent to either my phone number or my email. I'll have to go and get that. Yes, an OTP has been sent. I'll copy this and paste here. I don't think I can paste it, so I'll just go and cram it and bring it. 72533. 72533. So that is it. I now have 20,000 Naira in my wallet. So if I go to wallet section, you see that I have 20,000 Naira now in my wallet, plus the 724 Naira I have before. So guys, this is just a simple way for you to fund your account. So I can start to go and buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, USDC with any of this, with this amount. So you know what? Let me go and use 10,000 Naira out of this to make this purchase. To do that, I'll just go to home and order book, right? I think I want to buy Ethereum, so I'll go to Ethereum NGN, right? And these are the people in orange are the sellers. The people in green are the buyers. So I want to buy from a seller. I'll just click on this one and I want to buy. I enter the amount in Naira. If I click on maximum, right, that is the amount I have. So I want to enter half of it, 0.0 1.00.0045. So that's about 10,000 Naira, right? You can see that here. And I'm paying a fee of 0.1%, which is really small. I'll click on buy, enter my code, and that is it. That is it, guys. So if I go back to wallet, you see that, and I have it loaded. Yeah, see I have about 9,000 because now the transaction fee is taking off. 9,000 Naira worth of Ethereum, which is 0.004495. What I could do is actually to move this Ethereum, yeah, into the savings to actually start. I don't want to use it now. I can just transfer it into the savings, right, to earn interest on it. Click on next. No fee. This is free. So guys, I'm just giving you guys extra stuff here. So I'll transfer it. So if you look here, let me refresh. So this Ethereum I have here will actually move into this Ethereum savings, and I can earn extra on it. There are more. I can also earn extra on USDC, which is 7.6%. So guys, what I'll do now is to let me withdraw the rest, so you see how the withdrawal is done, because this video is on funding and withdrawal. I'll click on withdrawal now, and I'll click on create voucher. Very easy. I'll enter 10,000 Naira and click on next. Then you see I will pay a fee of 2%, which is 200 Naira. All right, click on confirm. So the same way, now I've entered my bank information before. I can easily also create or enter more bank information. Now a code has been sent to my email. I go to my email again. Yeah, you can see that email saying that ETA transfer into savings. All right, so I'll be earning interest of this. Like I said again, these are just extras I'm giving you guys. So I'm meant to get an email, which is what I'm waiting for. Yeah, this one has come now. I'll copy this, which is a voucher number, and enter the voucher number here. Click on redeem. Right, and that code has been sent to my. It means they're going to be going to through your email. Copy this voucher number. Okay, this is 488,673. 488,673. Now I noticed this because this is my second time using this. There's no feedback. All right, I don't know why this happens. I think they're still working on this, but you just see this screen once you've entered this number, but the money will actually, you receive an email. Let me check it. Let me see if I receive an email, and within a short time you will see that the money will enter your account. Okay, if I go back to the wallet, see this, guys, the Ethereum is gone from here and it's now here. So you see here it says sending to Zenith. So I'll just have to be patient and I will see it in my bank account. So if you look at this 8,000, I did the same thing here and I received it. See, this was on the 22nd of December and I received it into my bank account. So I'll just give this time and I will see it in my bank account. It's as simple as that, guys. So guys, this is how you fund your Luno account in Naira using your credit card. You can fund and withdraw. Easy and simple. This is a new method. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So guys, this is how you deposit Naira into your Luno account from Nigeria, and also how you withdraw Naira from Luno to your bank accounts. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more video like this, just give this video a like, also subscribe and click on that bell icon. That said, I will see you in the next video.